Here's the bottom cushion. As you can see, everything is made up and glued up. We got the wood cut. We got the foam glued to the wood. We got everything shaped to the way that he wants it. And now we're going to fit the pleated sections onto it. Alright, so first thing I did was put me some marks going around it so I'll be able to line up my side pieces. And I'm going to find my center, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one of the top pieces. I'll find my center, come right there. I'll go just like that. Now I'll take my chalk. Come around here. Do it right, you'll be able to take this and line them up. Voila, fit the side pieces. As you can see, I'm starting by stretching me a nice piece of vinyl around. And then I'm going to start off by finding that edge and go this way. Make me a nice little curve going around the front like so. I can feel my edge right up in here. Now I want to cut this out. And I'll put it back up here one more time. And there you go. Got it lined up. I'll put my little marks in it. Now we just got to make 4 of them. Next after that, we'll sew up a couple pieces of piping. Then we'll take that piping and we'll sew that over here to these pieces with the pleated sections. I got my fabricated piping trimmed down to a good excess on the outside edge. And in order to start it, I'm gonna come down a little bit. I know I got plenty of overhang, so I'm gonna come down and get it in there. Reverse a little. And then the way I got it laid out is I'm gonna put my piping right on my chalk line. And then ride that chalk line the whole way down, and then just keep eyeballing it and make sure it's straight. Right here, I'm going to take and line up this one mark and then just start kind of rolling this shit, and then just start kind of rolling this corner around. Like that. And that'll give you your starting spot. Cross my fingers. Put my stitch length down some. Now I'm going to take the back end and pull that up as I curl that band all the way around. Sometimes I might have to lift up a little, straighten out that wrinkle. Then I can judge on how I want them all to line up here. I'm gonna have to tug a little bit here on this one. That lines right up to the center. So what I'm gonna do is stop it right here. Get my next piece out. I'll line this center section up like that. And then I'll put the same tension on this piece as I did on the other one. It's not a whole lot, but just a little bit. Do the same thing, tug on this. There we go. All right. Now all I got to do is trim all my edges down and put the other two pieces together and we'll be good. Now that we got them all trimmed up, and flip them outside like this. And throw a couple staples at them, see what happens. And then we have a cushion. The bottom cushions are done for Robert's tea bucket. Next step, pleated top sections. There are going to be some removable snap-in pieces that are easily taken out. Same with this, you can easily pop that in and out so that the pan bolts to the car itself. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. You'll be able to see the rest of this tea bucket.